How to turn off or on mentions notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on mentions notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and now click hub and then go to the storylines here and go to settings, then click this one here, notifications, and scroll down until you find events and then click mentions. Now just here we'll find push notifications. You can turn it off or on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.